Alright, welcome back. So now we're going to be looking at a more formal definition of area, and ultimately that comes from when we're dealing with specific shapes. So all of these are rectangles and squares, and in order to find the area of a rectangle or square, all it is area is equal to length times breadth. And breadth is another way of saying width. So you could also write area is equal to length times width. Alright, where length is the longer side and breadth is the shorter side. Alright, now let's get started with our first one, A. So the first thing we need to do is identify what's our length and what's our breadth. So our first one is our longer side here. So length is going to be 9 and our width is going to be 7 multiplied by 7. Now it's important to know the order here does not matter. So I could also do 7 times 9, I could do 9 times 7 as well. They are both equally valid and will lead to the same result. So our area is going to be equal to 9 times 7, which is going to be 63 meters squared. So whenever we're dealing with area, our units are square units. They are not just a single dimension. Alright, let's look at B. So B is a square. It has all equal sides and everything meeting at 90-degree angles. So our area here is just going to be equal to 4 multiplied by 4. And that means our area is equal to 16 meters squared. Alright, if we look at C, what we've got is our area is going to be equal to, well, our longer side 12 multiplied by 8. Alright, area is equal to 12 groups of 8. Now, if you know your times tables, that's great. If you don't, just pull out a calculator and use that. But we know that this is going to be equal to 10 times 8 plus 2 times 8, which is 16. So the actual result is going to be 96 meters squared. Alright, here's a few for you guys to practice, so just give the video a pause, give them a go, and then I'll solve them. Alright, let's get started. So starting with D, our area is going to be equal to 9 multiplied by 5. So our area is equal to 45 meters squared. With E, we have a square, so our area is going to be equal to 7 multiplied by 7. Just remember that each one of these dashes, if they are the same on each side, means that each result is equal to each other. So our area is going to be equal to 49 centimeters squared. And then with F, our area is going to be equal to 9 times 12. And that means our area is going to be equal to 108 millimeters squared. Again, if you don't know your times tables for nines, just remember to break it up. So you could, in fact, do, instead of 9 times 12, you could do the area is equal to 9 multiplied by 10 plus 9 multiplied by 2. Alright, in that sense, you get your 90 plus 9 times 2 is 18, and the result is 108. So it's the same idea, just broken up, and it's a good way of practicing just mentally how to do some multiplication. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.